let's go, daddy. Papi, yeah. Woo, they gonna make me do acrobatics in this bitch.
On July 31st, 2025, officers were dispatched to the 7-Eleven on Charlotte, Florida to remove a 38-year-old woman for causing a disturbance. What began as a request to escort an unwanted person quickly escalated into a chaotic scene when officers arrived.
Hey, what's your problem? What's going on?
I have a problem?
Yeah, come here.
Do I look like I have a problem?
Yeah, you do.
No, Mr. Officer.
All right, hold on a second.
I need my boys at the fire department to handle it. Can you send my ride ready?
Hey, did you guys ask her to leave the property?
I did, yeah.
You be willing to give us a statement in a bit?
Yeah, I can.
Okay.
What's your name?
You want to trespass?
That's fine. He don't have the authority. Can
You
I
okay?
ask you what's your
You
name?
need an ambulance?
No, I'm good.
What's
It's
going on?
hot. Isn't it hot out here for you?
It's a little bit. So what's going on?
What's going on? How's your night going?
That's not bad.
Yeah. What's your name?
Vasquez.
Vasquez?
Yep.
Babe, okay.
What's your name, ma'am?
Where you from?
What's your name?
Not that I give a fuck.
Hey, what's your name?
Just these people still playing with my top, dog.
Hey, what's your name? How'd you get here?
I floated on a magic carpet ride.
Hey, if you don't give me your name, we're gonna have an issue.
You know who I am.
No, I don't. I've never met you before. So what's your name?
That sounds like a you problem.
Hey, stop
I'm
walking away.
home.
Come here.
I am
Hey,
home.
come here.
Fuck you. Yeah, Papi, we ready to ride? Yo, let's go, daddy. Papi, yeah. Woo, they gonna make me do acrobatics in this bitch.
Put your hands behind your back.
Come on, man. Why you doing this to me?
Stop.
Hey, baby.
Stop.
Baby. I'm home. Get your fucking hands off me, dog. Why are you doing this? Why are
Hey.
you so aggressive? You wanna fuck me?
No, I don't.
No, you do.
No, I don't.
Oh, yeah. Wait, I can show you how to do it better.
All right.
Is
let's
your
go.
wife not
Let's
giving
go.
you any pussy?
Let's go.
Why you pushing me around like this?
Hey,
dog?
could you? Really?
Get off of me. That's a lie, dog.
Okay.
You believe everything you see, nigga?
All right, stop. Stop.
Man, I can flip your fucking ass.
Oh, you- Oh, you ready? Stop.
Stop it.
Stop.
Get
Stop.
it. Nigga. The fuck, dog? Why you
17
still
cents. I got her
fucking
detained.
with me? Get the fuck off me.
Did you see him fighting?
Yeah, at the front of his car.
Oh, perfect.
I'm gonna get you down on the ground if you don't stop.
I know that's where you want to take
No.
me. You want to get on the hood? See, my boys is more the cage when we come through, bitch. Yeah.
All right, have a seat. Matter of fact.
Okay. Okay. Get the fuck out of me.
Stop. Stop.
Ah! Oh. Oh. That's the light work with me. Ah. Oh, come on, man. What's your fucking problem, G? Papi! No, I'm not. No, why are you doing this? Y'all got that much hate? What the fuck did I do to you? What the fuck did I do to you? Ah! Did I come to your doorstep and fuck with your family? Huh?
It's alright. We're
Did
good.
I almost
We're
take
good.
your
We're
fucking
good.
life?
She ain't going
Nah,
nowhere.
but I could, bitch. And you fucking with the right one. My man be here any second. He's here already. Go get him. Leave me a motherfucker alone. You ain't even gotta go get him. He's mine.
Just
Nah,
watch your
get the fuck
fucking
out.
junk with her hands,
Give me
bro.
a drink, bitch. You work for me, motherfucker. Yeah. It's a fucking earring. You don't fuck. Don't believe everything you see here. You can have me. You want
Just
that money
move
so bad?
yourself, buddy.
Oh.
I'm trying to stop her from slipping. I'm trying to slip out.
Take it right in now. Get the fuck off of me, dog.
You guys know who she is, or?
Bro, we just came
I
here
got a
and
drink.
like we saw her
And
like harassing home dude in there,
Yeah.
so we decided to wait till you guys
Like
came
she
here
was
in case-
dancing up on the counter, up on
Yeah,
some other
she
shit in
was
there, bro.
tweaking.
Yeah, bad.
Like
Yo. Oh, but see, that shit feels good. I don't know why I'm fighting.
You got gloves on?
full on, and it was weird because it was completely like she's being mad sexual. You understand what I'm saying? That's
Some of the stuff she was doing to me, like,
Yeah,
Yeah.
trying to back it up, or
Yeah, and she's been doing that the entire
whole
time,
time,
dude.
bro.
Weird shit. Before you got here, she was like
Rolling
on her
around
back
and
and rolling around, and And then she told her about being high. Yeah. So that's the point.
There was a red car that I thought was with her, and then some older looking Asian guy, and then they were talking to her in there with her, and then they took off. And
I'm about to start masturbating. I'm uncomfortable. Get off of me. I'm asking you nicely. You gonna get fucking that way.
What's your name?
You gotta talk.
What's your name? Can you hold that real quick?
Angela. Hey, I don't give a fuck what you was cracking. Fuck your police, dog. I ain't saying it no more.
Hey, is this your car? Hey, real quick, we're gonna get her up and get her in the car. We're gonna see if we can get her stood up. If she doesn't want to play ball, we'll stay like this and go. Can we have a female deputy if available en route for a search?
She was causing a disturbance here. Working.
You get this woman in the damn car, she's hurting my ears.
Alright, ready?
You get this woman in the damn car, she's hurting my ears.
Sit up.
Stand up. Up.
Put your legs underneath you.
Or you can help this out.
I'm trying to. It's hot out here.
Stand up. All right.
Cowboy.
Get to your knees.
Well, you gotta give me a second. You just had one. Wait, hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Roll back.
4, 5.
We're just. Hey, hold on. Put your knee behind her.
I need some water. Hey, y'all have daughters?
Stand up.
Y'all have daughters?
Stand up.
Y'all have daughters?
Come on.
You got a wife? Do you love her though?
Stand up.
Oh, that's lightweight, nigga. That's 3 of y'all.
Hold on. Hey, grab her legs.
Grab her legs.
Hold on. You grab that leg. There we go.
Hey, let's not put her on our belly.
No.
We're gonna.
No, I ain't pregnant, but I'm about to tonight, bitch. Papi, come get me, daddy. Oh, hit that nigga.
Try to put it here, and then I can go on the other side. And
You see me?
I can go on the other side. And
You see me?
Listen, you
Why
go.
you still holding me?
Listen.
Cause
Right
you
here.
know he right there.
You going to jail.
Oh, can I borrow your hat?
Nope. Once you get in
I'ma
the car,
need it
you
for
gonna
my
get in the car? You gonna be able to get in the car with us?
And I get a wife?
You gonna get in the car? You get in the car, we'll give you one. All right? So when you stand up, be a lady. Be a
I'm
lady.
not a lady though.
Listen,
I'm
yeah, I
freaking
know.
nasty.
We'll work on it. Okay, we'll
Can I
work
have
on
that
it.
hat, Mr.
Yeah.
Alfred?
Once you stand up.
Fuck y'all niggas!
Stand up.
Yay! Wait. Wait. Oh God. Oh. Oh God. These motherfuckers act like they don't work for me.
Hey, put the legs.
Oh, I'm pregnant. Oh, I'm pregnant. I'm pregnant. I'm pregnant. Oh, it's my arm.
watch out for kicking. Watch out for the side.
Fuck.
The other side.
Oh, God. Oh. Yeah, I like that though. See, you got it about right. Yeah, see, I like that. That's a nice, yeah. Perfect. See, y'all did too much. Yeah, motherfuckers always do too much and not enough. Oh, that's why you're miserable, because your wife ain't fucking you. It ain't my fault I look like this. I am who I am, flash my light. I am who I am, flash my light. Papi! Oh, you was gonna fuck with my money like this? Bitch. Man, I can fuck all my
I'm gonna help you with the door, Sarge. Got her?
Is that ours?
I have no idea. They have tag on them still and everything.
Trying to maybe give it to them. Yeah.
Yep, we're here.
I just brought the pair of sunglasses that I believe it was you I tried to show to. He said that she tried to take them, so he has them.
we'll take a look at it.
Thank you, sir.
No problem.
What's up, man? Oh my goodness.
You have fun out there?
Oh, she's definitely something else. I'm gonna get a sworn statement from you.
Yeah, go ahead.
Just about what happened and was she causing a disturbance here? Obviously, right?
Yeah.
Schultz, get your car squared away so EMS can pull in.
All right, so tell me what happened with this lady.
So, she's not a regular customer, but she does come in every once in a while. Usually, she's not to
Not
this
like
day.
that? Okay.
She's a lot more calm
Right.
and laid back. But today, for some reason, before I even came in, she was very sporadic.
Okay.
And she was fine at first. I could tolerate her. She wasn't doing anything crazy, other than just being loud.
Today?
Yeah.
Being
Until-
loud where? In here?
Yep. in
What was
here.
she yelling? Do you remember?
Just yelling profanities and whatnot
Profanity inside the store?
inside the store.
Is that obviously interrupting your day-to-day operations here? With
I
all
wouldn't
that
say
yelling?
interrupting, just inconveniencing.
Oh, right, an inconvenience for customers and yourself as well, right?
Yep.
Okay.
When was the last time you took any narcotics? Could you tell us what it was?
All day, every day, bitch.
Okay.
That's my medicine. Leave me the fuck alone.
What did you
Only
take?
reason, yeah, I can't even talk, man. Fuck y'all.
Throw things at me, climb over the counter, threaten me, say that I ain't worth, excuse my language, shit.
She climbed over the counter there? Okay.
And she was laying on the floor and going up to customers on the pumps and harassing them, I assume.
And you told her, what did you tell her? Just leave the property, or?
I told her multiple times in a nice, calm voice to leave the property.
How did you get her out? Did she just walk out on her own?
She walked on her own, took the opportunity, locked the door.
Okay, perfect.
Yep. She started getting up on my face, did not feel safe, so I pulled up a stick as a self-defense in case she tried anything.
Right.
And then she tried multiple times to climb over the counter.
Okay.
I pushed her off, and she walked out.
You guys got hot.
Likely under the influence of narcotics. She's extremely thick with like the thick kind of sweat from, I don't know, either like that excited delirium or whatnot.
Like stimulant type thing.
Yes, absolutely. Not making any sense. Extremely aggressive. I called you guys just to have an abundance of caution because she is like profusely fucking sweating. Like it's like no joke.
Yeah. I mean,
So,
you know, excited delirium. That's one thing.
Right.
Go from there.
yeah. It was a fight to get her in the car. If you guys can evaluate her as much as you can without having to get her out, obviously, I know there's only so much you can do.
Yeah,
And then we'll.
I can't even put my hands on her. I mean,
Right, yeah. Because the jail is 100% going to tell us that there's something wrong and she needs to go to a hospital.
Yeah.
So they ain't going to accept her like that.
I got God in front of me, behind me, everywhere. All my people.
Good, you can go to the hospital with you.
Give me that glass.
You can go to the hospital. Okay?
Yeah.
Got trespass after warning, and then also either disorderly conduct or disorderly intox.
Yep. Sounds good. So
When I got here,
oh, what those toes?
yeah, when I got here, she was she was there.
She's probably going to get stuck like that. But I need you to do that. You are a lady. You going to be a lady and behave properly out here?
I'm a whole nigga. I'm a goon, dog.
I'm not going to call you that.
See, you think
I'm
it's
not.
like I can't bring problem when I put, man.
I don't understand that shit. I need Google Translator.
You get her to the head of the bed. Try to turn her head to the side and put gentle pressure, like on the side of her temple.
Where am I, Charlotte County?
Aye.
We be at the gas station.
Ready, Sarge?
Tell
Hey,
them that it's lit.
step
bitch.
on out.
Oh, fire.
Good deal.
Get off. I'm a lady.
Perfect.
I'm a lady, right?
Step out.
I'm gonna take you. It's hot.
I know, that's why we're taking you out of
And
the
now
car.
this
Let's
is
go.
for my man. Make me put on the mother. She at least she got some sense.
Yes, come on out.
What's your name? It's Kenny
Sergeant Dick.
Bundy.
Come on
I
out.
don't give a fuck about you, dog.
Okay, well,
Bobby. Listen.
Come on over here.
You playing with your leg?
No, come on over here. Head there.
Me too. Easy.
They're getting better.
Fuck, y'all ain't doing it right. Ah.
Here, you come over here and hold this arm.
We're good. If you can do it right now.
Coming through hot.
Bobby, Caliente.
Just down the road is all I remember now. They are pressing contact. We can go back down here.
Oh. Yeah.
126 Central Central.
Maybe you need to wait a second.
Over.
Here, I'll do this one.
Okay.
You come towards you a little bit. Board all night, girl.
Central.
You heard about the warrant?
She does?
Yeah, out of Sarasota County.
That was
But
right.
I'm not gonna confirm obviously because we got local charges.
Last words, you want to grab those cups for short?
What do you want me to grab, sir?
My cups.
Do this on this side, and then I'm gonna slide her hand this way, and we're gonna secure. All right, ready?
Yep.
1, 2, 3.
I have no pressure on her chest, so it should be easier. Yeah, like that.
Get up to the Circle K. We have a direction to Chicago now. Please advise you make it a left northbound on 41. No further pass up, please.
Where the hell is it?
Right here. If I'm...
Oh, that's it? Okay, got it. No worries.
And then, I know I just put the handcuff on. We're gonna put this on.
Hey, Vasquez, are these black cuffs yours? Hey, how do you double lock these ones?
Oh, sorry. This little lever right here.
Okay, perfect.
Okay, good. This one's double lock.
Okay.
She's got a warrant at the surf so. Yep. Yeah, on our local charges.
Yeah, we're gonna have one right along with you.
Okay.
Yeah.
Like inside the ambulance.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Inside the ambulance?
Yep.
Where we're going? Faucet North or? Oh, let's do Faucet.
Faucet, Maine or North?
Faucet, Maine. Okay.
Okay.
Your card here and we're good to go.
Yeah.
We got an arrest and then we got a use of force hands on.
Yep. So hands-on use of force. He has charges for trespass after warning.
Hands on use of force. We all do our part of it.
I guess because we couldn't. That was an issue with Ascara's and Schultz's, is that they had to do it individually because there's no way for us to list.
You sure you don't want to put in an application with us? No. I mean, that's good times right there.
Yeah.
Hey, from your standpoint, do you think you shot anything that was outrageous or something that we did that was out of control, or?
I mean, I seen her go like attacking that dude in the.
No, but anything that you saw the deputies do, or did we?
No,
okay,
no.
Cool. I mean, sometimes it's good to get the opinion from you guys.
With what they had to deal with, I thought they handled it great, to be honest with
Cool.
you.
All right. Thanks, brother. Drive home safely.
Appreciate you, man.
Will do.
The woman was taken to the hospital for medical evaluation and later transported to jail once she was stable. She was charged with felony, resisting an officer with violence, trespassing, disorderly intoxication. This case is still open, and all suspects are presumed innocent until proven guilty in a court of law. If you made it this far, thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more body cam footage and real case updates.